Okay, guys, again, good afternoon. Today, inshallah, we'll take lesson 3, page 451, area of trapezoids, area of trapezoids. So prepare your books, guys, and let's start. Before we start with this lesson, if you have any questions about the previous homework, you can ask me. Any questions, guys, about the previous homework, you can ask me. Good. Now let's go to our lesson here, area of trapezoids. Now, yes, Yanal, yes. Yes, يعني ما 4 مرات سألت. Put your hand. Yes, يا ابني. ليش تتأخر؟
Mr. When I raise my hand, it takes some time to raise it.
ماشي، يلا. What's your question, حبيبي؟ يلا.
In the last homework page, in question 7.
What's the problem with question 7?
I didn't understand what I must take the base and the height.
Can you يعني just think about the question, or did you think about the question? Did you try to understand it, or just see it and خلاص?
Yes, Mr. I tried.
You tried. Let's try together. شو رأيك? Yeah, let's try together. We have this flag, right?
Yes.
Inside it, we have a yellow part, right?
Yeah.
And they want from us to find the area of this yellow part, right?
Yeah.
So this part is what here? What we call it?
A triangle.
They put here right angle. Means what's this line? What we call it? The height. How much the height? Do you know?
17.
17, because here we have what? 17. This equal to this. So the height is how much? Is there any
17.
problem to find the height?
No.
Now what we need to find the area also? What we need also? The base. This is the base, right? This part is the base, right?
Yeah.
How much this part here? Quickly, Ibn.
Mister,
I'm asking you, you answer me only. How much this part here? 7. How much this part here? 10. What's the whole part here? This whole part, how much?
34.
34 inches, right? This whole part, is it equal to the whole part here?
No.
I'm asking you, is this part from here to here same of this part from here to here or no?
Yes,
they are the equal. Same. Means the whole part here also is how much?
34.
If the whole part is 34 inches, I don't want the 7, I don't want the 10, I want this part only. What I will do to find the base now, do you know?
Yes.
What we do, tell me.
We will...
We will what?
Sir, I don't know.
Mister, the whole from here to here, how much?
34.
Good. I don't want the 7 and I don't want the 10. Still what? Still how much from the 34?
Still how much?
I don't want the 7, I don't want the 10, I want the base only. And the whole is 34. Still how much for the b?
17.
How you get it? How you get 17?
We will divide on 2.
Divide on 2? Why you divide on 2, Yabni? Why? You divide on 2, why? Yeah, mister, I don't want the 7. Cut this part, cut this part. From where I will cut these 2 parts? From the whole, which is what?
From the 34.
So cut means what? Divide or subtract?
Subtract.
So 34 minus 7, how much?
34 minus 7 equal 27.
Minus 10, how much?
17.
Still B, right?
Yeah.
So I have the base, I have the height. Can I find the area now?
Yeah.
By using the formula, A equal half BH. Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Goodbye. Else, guys. Else, guys. Right. Now let's go to our lesson now. Let's go to our lesson, how to find the area of a trapezoid. Before we go to our lesson, guys, the area of a trapezoid, let's remember what we did until now. The first area we took is the area of parallelograms. And we have this parallelogram, we have base, we have height, and the area is base multiply height. The second thing we took is area of triangles. Right? And we have a triangle like this one, base, height, equal half base height. Now we will take area of trapezoid. First, what's the trapezoid, by the way? The trapezoid is something like this, and let's talk about it. The trapezoid, it's a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means it has 4 sides, something like this. And look here to distinguish between the trapezoid and the parallelogram. In the parallelogram, each opposite sides are parallel and equal. Means this side equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. But here, this side is not equal to this side. And this side is not parallel to this. Not parallel means if you extend them, they will meet some point here. So this we call it trapezoid, this we call it parallelogram. Now in the trapezoid, because we have different sides, here we have one base because they are the same. But here we have 2 bases. This base and this base. I'll call this base 1 and base 2. And don't write base 2 like this. No, we write base B and 2 small down like this. So we have base 1 and base 2. And the height or the perpendicular or the vertical line connected between them, okay? Perpendicular means it has right angle. We call it what? The height of the trapezoid. So we have base 1, base 2, and height for the trapezoid. Now, what's the formula of the area? We need to find the area of it now. To find the area, the formula of it is half multiply bracket. Inside the bracket, B1 plus B2. Close the bracket. Multiply the height. This is the new formula. This formula, we use it to find the area of a trapezoid. Half multiply bracket, ويا ويلك كده بتنسى البراكت. Base 1 plus base 2 inside the brackets, parentheses. Outside, multiply the height. Example. A trapezoid with base 1, 5 centimeters. Base 2, 8 centimeters. And the height, 10 centimeters. Find its area. A trapezoid with base 1, base 2, and height, find its area. Write the formula, the first step. A equal half multiply bracket. Inside the bracket, B1 plus B2. Close the parentheses. Outside, multiply the height. Equal under equal. Half multiply brackets. Inside the bracket, base 1 plus base 2. Base 1, 5. Base 2, 8. 5 plus 8. Multiply the height, which is 10. In order of operations, we said the first step always in any numerical expression is to do the brackets first. So half multiply 5 plus 8, 13. Multiply 10. Half of 10, 5 by 13, 65. 65 what? The unit, which is centimeter squared. Another example. Find the area of the following trapezoid. We have this trapezoid. 12 meter, 6 meter, and let's the height be 7 meter. 7 meter, thank you. Now, out of the area, the formula, A equal half multiply parentheses, inside it, B1 plus B2, outside it, height. Put the numbers, half multiply B1 plus B2, 12 plus 6, 12 plus 6, multiply the height, 7, equal. The parenthesis first, half multiply 18, multiply 7. Half of 18, 9, multiply 7, 63, the unit meter, power 2. So this is how we find the area of the trapezoid, okay? The formula, it's easy one, just be careful, brackets, inside the bracket, the bases, the height. The height always connect between the bases, not this, because we don't have here and here right angles. If we have right angle here, this will be the height. So the height follow the right angle always, don't forget that. This is the idea of this lesson. Any questions about it? Any questions about it, please? Any questions about it, please? Yes, Amr.
Yes, Mr.
يبني.
I have a question on the online assignment.
Did you was here when we start this lesson, Yabni?
Yeah.
طيب, why you didn't ask? Because I asked you there if you have any questions, and I wait a lot of time.
Yeah, because you asked about the homework, not about the online assignment.
هات شو عندك بالأونلاين assignment?
Question 4 said a triangle with area 36 centimeters.
Mister, this question, لا إله إلا الله. This question, Yabni, I sent, did you check your inbox?
Yeah.
What I said for you in the inbox? Did you check it before?
Yeah, you checked one of it.
What I said about this question exactly, what I said, it has a mistake. صح ولا لا؟ حكيت مظبوط. The answer is 6. It's easy, right?
Yeah.
So عادي يعني ما فيش مشكلة. It's printing mistake. Any questions? Hello? وين راح؟ ارجع وين رحت انت؟
Yes, Mr. I don't have any other questions.
So the problem was this question only, right?
Yeah.
Check your inbox. I fixed it. Just check your inbox.
Okay.
Right, else guys. Okay, now let's go to example 1 on this lesson together. Let's go to example 1 in this lesson together. Before example 1, guys, before example 1, see the trapezoid in the first page in the question. In the first page of the lesson, we have a trapezoid here, see it? In page 451. Let's find the area of it. Example. Not example 1, it's general example in the first page. We have this trapezoid here, and they make for me here 2 heights. The 2 heights are equal because it's the same height. Both are equal. Okay? Now up, they wrote for me 9 inches. 9 inches. Down here, they don't give me the whole piece. They give me this part and this part only. The first part here, 4 inches and 4 inches. 4 inches, and here also 4 inches. The height is given 6 inches. Now, they want the area. Now, to find the area, I need the 2 bases. Base 1, base 2. Base 2 is given, but base 1 is not given whole. It's given by parts. This part 4, this part 4. This part is missing. But this part, guys, it's equal to this part. It's the same. So this part, how much should be? 9. Now the whole piece together here should be how much together now? 4 plus 9 plus 4. This part plus this part plus this part. 8 plus 9, it is 17 inch. So I have base 1, which is 17. The total of the numbers, base 2 and height. Now what's the area? Area will be half B1 plus B2 multiply height equal half B multiply B1 17, B2 given 9, multiply the height is given 6. Calculate equal half multiply 17 plus 6, 26, multiply 6. Half of 26, 13 multiply 6 is 78 inch squared. So sometimes you will have missing parts here. Try to compare to find the parts. So the answer or the area of this part or this trapezoid is 78 inch or 2. Now, let's do example 1, guys. Who can help me here? Example 1. Page 452. Okay. Yes, yeah, Yusuf.
Yes, Mister.
Read an example 1.
Okay. Find area of trapezoid by decomposing. Decompose
Yeah.
the trapezoid to find its area.
سيبك من decomposing. Let's graph the trapezoid on the board, right?
Okay. It's an
Yeah.
upside down trapezoid.
Good. Like this, right?
Yes.
The whole page up, or here we have the height. How much the height?
5 inch.
5 inches. And this part here, how much? The small part.
It's 2 inch.
And the big part here?
10 inches.
10 inches. Good. And down the base, how much?
7 inches.
7 inches. Good. Now to find the area of the trapezoid, we need what here, Yusuf? We need 2 bases and height, right?
Yes.
Base 1 given, base 2 given, or given in parts?
It's given in 2 parts.
Good. So what's the whole base should be now?
It will be 12 inches.
12 inches. So I won't use the 2 or the 10. I want the whole base, which is
12 inches.
12 inches. Now I have base 1, I have base 2, and I have the height. Can I find the area?
Yes.
Yeah, give me the formula.
A equal half multiply bracket B1 plus B2 bracket times height.
Yeah, equal.
Equal half times B1 open bracket B1 12 and B2 plus 7.
Multiply the height, how much?
5 inch.
Equal. Half.
Equal.
Multiply
Half.
here 19.
19
And here
plus
5, right?
Yes.
Yeah, half of 19 is 9.5, right?
Yes. 9.5.
Multiply 5, it will be 47.5 inches squared, right?
Yes.
Now, if you take a look to the book, guys, here, they make decomposing into 2 triangles and rectangle, then they add the 3 areas together. But if you use the formula, if you look down here, what's the answer? Look here.
It's A equals 7.5 plus 35 plus 5.
47, no, here, in my book.
47.
See? It's not clear, I know. 47.5, right? So we will
Yes.
use the formula. We will use the formula. Let's do the check now. After this one, we have check. Check. Page 452. Najm.
Yes, Mister.
يلا يا نجم. We have this trapezoid, right?
Yes.
Now, the base is up 10 units, down 6.1 units, right?
Yes.
And here 6.1 units. And here they put right angle, right?
Yes.
If they put right angle, means this is what?
This is 9.7.
What is it?
The height.
The height, because we have right angle, they didn't put it like this one. Okay, it's one of the sides itself. It is what? What's the 9?
9.7.
9.7 units. So we have base 1, base 2, and height. Do you know how to find the area now?
Yes, first we will make
Yeah.
the formula A equal 1/2.
احكي.
First we will make the formula A equal 1/2.
Half.
Half.
Brackets.
Base
B1 plus
B1 plus
B2.
B2.
Multiply the height.
Multiply H. Height.
Equal. Half.
Equal.
Multiply. Base 1 plus base 2.
6.1.
What our right?
6.1.
أيوة.
Multiply by 10.
ركز يا نجم. 6.1 then
6.1 multiply.
Where is the multiply يا ابني here? Where is it? After B1. Do we have multiply?
No, 6.1 plus.
أيوة ركز يا نجم الله يسعدك. Plus B2. How much B2?
10.
10. Multiply the height. How much?
9.7.
Good. Now what's the first thing we will do here?
First, we will make the 6.1 plus 10.
We do the brackets. So half multiply 16.1 multiply 9.7. Do you understand, Yanajam?
Yes.
Now we multiply up, then divide on 2. The answer is 78.085. 78.085 units. مالهم باور 2.
Power 2.
Do you understand يا ابني؟ نجم. Okay. This is the check, guys, page 452. Copy it, please, and we will stop here. Copy, guys, copy. Okay, guys, if you don't have any questions, remove your hands, please. If you have, keep it. طيب عمر سامر.
Mr. When we know it is base 2 and base 1.
It's not no difference يا ابني. 3 plus 5 how much?
8.
و 5 plus 3 how much?
8.
So B1 plus B2 or B2 plus B1 means if you switch the two numbers here, they are the same because we have addition and the addition is commutative, right?
Yes.
أبهرتك مظبوط؟ Okay guys, else إياد, we have إياد. Yes إياد. طيب إبراهيم.
Mister, we have time to answer example 2.
It's not your business,
And
right? I'm the one who
lesson is so
decides.
easy because you are very smart.
I know, mister. I know. It's usual for me. طيب. Tomorrow, guys, we'll continue in the next idea. Now, in this idea, guys, I gave you the base 1, the base 2, the height, and we found the area. The next idea, we will give you the area. مش إحنا, the question. The question will give you the area, and here we have one missing dimension. So we'll find it. That's all for today. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Goodbye.